Welcome to NexTechie QuBits The Brief, your weekly lens into the quantum frontier. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the maturing quantum landscape. Okay, so the quantum industry has just hit this incredible triumvirate of breakthroughs. We're seeing massive, simultaneous shifts in how these machines are powered, how we program them, and, how we defend against them. First, let's tackle the power bottleneck. A theoretical study from folks at CSIRO and the University of Queensland proposes integrated quantum batteries. Now, instead of massive external power supplies, these are tiny internal batteries that store energy in quantum states and recharge just using light. This is huge. By recycling energy right inside the system, this could potentially quadruple the number of qubits a computer can support. Second, there's a big shift in usability thanks to Microsoft. Their updated quantum development kit is moving coding from abstract physics to practical engineering. They've integrated AI assistants like GitHub Copilot, which really democratizes access. So now developers can focus on near-term apps like molecular simulation, not just the deep theory. And finally, with all that power comes a security pivot. The Ethereum Foundation has officially moved post-quantum security from the research column to active execution. They're launching test networks and offering millions in prizes, which tells us the quantum threat to crypto is no longer a distant worry, it's an immediate engineering challenge. So you've got this convergence where hardware is becoming self-sustaining, software is opening up for the rest of us, and blockchains are building shields against the power being unleashed. That's the brief, helping you keep pace with the quantum revolution.
This was NexTechie QuBits The Brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.